Woo, 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 woo! Alright, y'all, what's up? It's your girl Karen, back at you again with another snowy time vlog. Today I am so excited because I'm going to the ice castles. I've been trying to go for over 2 months and everybody either bails on me, it's way too cold because it's Minnesota and we've been hitting -50 around here, or I don't know, things just don't work out. But today, my beautiful little sister and I are going, and I'm so excited, and it's gonna be awesome, and the weather's not too cold. So let's get this party started. Sorry, I'm walking through my apartment. I told her I would meet her, and I'm a little bit late, so I'm running and I'm vlogging. Mostly I'm running, but here we go. It's my person! My person! The car tried to run me over. Actually, there's like 12 of them that tried to hit me. My person! I hope it was worth it. Ice castles! We're so excited! Ice castles! How do they even make these? Like, they keep moving these around, yeah. Like, do they just like spray water in like an area and just hope it grows? Yeah, ice castles. It's gonna eat it. This good's getting eaten by the ice castle. Oh my god, that was so cringy. Sorry. Oh, they're so mystical. Sorry, I beat that once. Oh, and there's the moon too. There's rainbow. No, it's great. You got shy. Thanks. No. Little squirt. Squirt. Oh, mine is squirts. Big squirt. Big squirt. Wow. Not weird at all. I'm gonna get you, little boy. I'm wearing Scrat. I don't fit, actually. Look how you didn't turn sideways. It's like I will fit straight on and get stuck. What an ice time. So good. Ooh. Day 4 in the ice castle. I don't know where I am. I'm very cold. Things look cool still though, so. You're not even wearing it. Nope. One's got. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. It was very anticlimactic and now my butt sweat. Little hole.
You could go out to like the main section.
Yeah.
Little hole.
Hey, Dad.
Can I go in this one or is this an out? Little hole. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. It's very slippery and I'm very big.
Oh, there was a much easier way.
Yeah, there was. This is my home now.
It's warm in here, dude.
Body temp. Body heat.
Okay, I wanna leave, but
Soft in it.
I gotta like scoot.
Penguin.
Penguin sliding. This is working really well, actually.
Well, I don't know. You can't fall
Are
back.
you in here? Oof. Oof. No. Huh. Have an ice day. Alright, Cass. What do you think of the ice castles? Review out of 10. Go.
7 snowflakes and a popsicle.
Wow, so like 8 out of 8, is that equal 8? Popsicles
Yeah.
are pretty big.
Yeah.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, 8.5 out of 10. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I would say, I would give it a firm 8 out of 10. It was beautiful, it was worth it. Way too expensive though, I have to say. $10, no, $20 a person. Oh my god.
Yeah.
$20 a person. I think should have included some hot chocolate because that was cold, also expensive. Very beautiful, very worth seeing. Little overpriced because it wasn't that big. Also, I went to Stillwater to see the ice castles a couple weeks ago, and I didn't know that they moved them to Excelsior because they've always been in Stillwater. So that was embarrassing. Excelsior is kind of a cute town, but I like Stillwater better. So would be better if it was in Stillwater. Yeah, so 8 out of 10.
Yep.
Yep. Sweet. Have a nice day.
Have an ice-tastic day.
Woo! We're gonna go die.